What's up, guys? We're on question number 22, and let's get right into it. All right, if an integer is divisible by both 8 and 15, then the integer also must be divisible by which of the following? All right, guys, this is kind of a weird question, but basically what it's saying is that if we have a number, right, so some number, and it has 8 and 15 as a factor, then which of these values is also a factor of that integer, okay? So I think the easiest way to go about doing this is to first of all figure out what is the least common multiple, or the LCM, of 8 and 15, okay? So let's think about it, all right? 15 times 2 is 30, 15 times 3 is 45, 15 times 4 is 60, and then, 8 times 5 is 40, but really we're not gonna get anything that's converging just, right off the top of my head right now, okay? So one way that you can do this is you can just say, all right, well, what's 15 times 8? Okay, so 8 times 5 is 40, and then when we do the full multiplication, we see that 15 times 8 equals 120, okay? So even if you didn't know that this was the least common multiple, it at the very least is a multiple, right? So what this means is that 120, it should be divisible by one of these answer choices, okay? Now, your goal is to figure out which of these answer choices is 120 divisible by, okay? So right off the bat, I know it's kind of, it's not exactly the most clean number here, right? Like, what is 120 divided by 16, right? But here's just a quick thing that we can do, all right? So if you guys remember from the little addition video I did, numbers are composite objects, right? Which means that we can actually split these values up, okay? So one thing that we can do is we can start with this 24 right here, and we can say, all right, well, 24 is just 20 plus 4, right? And we know that 5 times 20 is 100, right? So if I just do 5, I do 20 plus 4, right? This is just 100 plus 20, and that is 120. All right, guys, so our answer is B, okay? All right, guys, so I kind of sped through that one a little bit, used a couple tricks to make it quick. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.